Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common problem that can arise when trying to tidy up folders using a handy command in Unix-like systems. The issue at hand occurs when attempting to replace problematic characters within folder names, such as swapping out single quotes for curly apostrophes or changing question marks to their Chinese equivalent. If a path contains two or more instances of these characters across different levels, the command fails to make the changes the second time around, resulting in a pesky, no such file or directory error. Quite a conundrum, right? Now, onto the solution for this tricky problem. By utilizing the depth option in GNU Fundoodle's find command, you can ensure that directories are outputted in a way that tackles subdirectories before their parent directories. This nifty feature allows the command to work its magic from the bottom up, addressing those multiple occurrences of problematic characters without a hitch. A simple yet effective approach to keep your folder names in check. In summary, dealing with multiple instances of pesky characters in folder names can be a real headache. But fear not, as the depth option in FIND is here to save the day. By flipping the script and going from the bottom up, you can bypass those pesky errors and clean up your folders like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy scripting